Do you feel terrorized because you can't reach me by phone? I'm Melton, John Melton Brady, telling everyone to 9/11 Flight 93 checking posting 5 to document America's hijacked lifelines. You don't know when else that phone won't be allowed to work because of that religious censorship, political and business as well. But when they're placing a cowardly Hussein in our White House, right after we got attacked by a whole lot of cowardly Husseins, it's very religious in nature, the censorship that affects your lifeline. Join millions of other Americans making a video. You can certify your mail, make a video of that too, it's going to be stolen. Join millions of other Americans making a video of their hijacked calls to John Melton Brady, me. Got the timestamp on your phone, you got the number dialed. Those hijacking your calls to me are worried enough about to alter phone records covered up, also give me insulin poisoning. Make that video, post that video. Come see me in person. I am Melton, and I've been asking for 9/11 Flight 93 checks for over a decade, and I have yet to get one. That's you picking up your phone knowing it works all the time by trying to call me. 424-229-4140. Make that video whatever you get when you don't get me. Those hijacking your calls to me are worried enough about to alter phone records to cover it up and give me insulin poisoning. That's with the LA Fire Department paramedics and Dignity Health's Glendale Memorial taking an active part in it. And just recently, just today, broke my computer. I designed this Mormons Beware image and these vibes on. Checking posting 5. And I'm waiting on my pain medicine from East Remedy. What the hell is that title supposed to mean? I don't know, but I think it means a whole lot of folks are trying to call me, make a video of it.